Hello everybody, welcome back. I am super excited for today's video because I will be showing you step by step how to plant scent leaf from seeds. If we're just meeting for the first time, hello and welcome. I am YAJE'S and I teach people how to grow some culturally important African vegetables out here in the diaspora. I am in Houston, Texas, and I have a garden here in my backyard. I have been doing this for about 20 years now, and I'm just passionate about teaching people how to do it. So today I am excited because we are going to be growing scent leaf, and for me it is my first time growing scent leaf ever. So I am very, very excited. Scent leaf is a culturally important African vegetable, mostly for people around Central and West Africa. If I am wrong, please correct me. If you're Cameroonian, scent leaf is the same thing as Masepu. And I believe in Ghana, this is referred to as nomom. It is called scent leaf because it has this unique aroma. It is very aromatic and it has nutritional benefits as well as medicinal benefits. Culinary wise, we use it to flavor soups, to enhance the flavor of soups. It is a great herb to cultivate. But today, I just wanted to show you how to plant scent leaf seeds at home. Now, if you're thinking you would like to grow it, but you don't have the seeds, don't worry, I have you covered. I'm going to share a link to where you can buy the scent leaf seeds if you are in the USA. So here are my scent leaf seeds. They are very tiny seeds. Growing tiny seeds is tricky, so pay attention so that you can ensure that your seeds will germinate. So you need your seeds. Again, check the description box below, click on that link, buy your seeds. They will get here in no time. After you have your seeds, what you need: containers. I'm going to share all of my supplies again in the description box if you want, but I find these planters extremely useful for growing, especially these African vegetables. They are not too big, they are not too small, so I really like them. But if you don't want to spend money, you can always use plastic cups. Just make sure that you put some holes on the bottom of the containers. Always label what you plant. I'm telling you, you think you will remember, you will forget. So as soon as you plant the seeds, label. I like to use these garden tags and a marker. This is also a garden marker. You can use any marker, but just something that is waterproof. Okay, so you're going to put the name, scent leaf, and the date of whenever you're planting. And then you're also going to need seed starting mix. I have shared a video on this channel. If you want to know how to make yours at home, you can click here and see how to make it, or you can buy one. But if you're starting the seeds indoors, I'm going to recommend that you use a seed starting mix. Don't go get garden soil because you can bring in
nuts, fungus nuts,
and also seeds from other weed in the garden, who knows what. So you want to make sure that when you see a germination, you know that it's your scent leaf that is germinating. So what we're going to do is fill up our container. It's all filled up. I need to water this. Once you've filled up your container with your seed starter mix, go ahead and give it a good soak. I like to do this before planting my seed. Okay. And then next, we're now going to plant our seeds. Scent leaf seeds are very tiny. What we're going to do is just put the seeds on the surface and then just gently press it down. Don't cover it with a bunch of soil because the seeds are so tiny. If you cover it again with the seed starter mix, the seed is going to struggle to come out, and maybe in that process it will not even come out because you buried it too deep. So just something to keep in mind when planting tiny seeds such as scent leaf. Okay, so this will apply for water leaves, your amaranth, stuff like that, which is why you want the seed starter mix to begin with. So I'm just very carefully trying to broadcast the seeds on the surface. Try to cover as much surface area as I can. All right, so that is it. Now I'm just going to press it down. Just going to press it down. I'm not going to cover it much. So just get the seeds down. I'm gonna press it down like that. Because I already watered, I don't need to water it again. But every couple of days, I'm going to come in with my spray bottle and just spray like that. See, just lightly spray. If I notice that the surface is dry, I'm going to spray it with some water. So guys, here is scent leaves 2 weeks later. So I planted these 2 weeks ago, and this is what I have 2 weeks later. I have a germination, actually germinated a few days ago. So it took about 7 to 10 days to I began to see something. But here is my scent leaf at 2 weeks. So you want to leave it open in an area where there's good air circulation, but where it is warm, and if you can have access to sunlight, the better.